Today we're going to show you how to add some style and save some weight on your 2015 through 2017 Mustang with this carbon fiber hood from Anderson Composites. Now, installing a hood is definitely a two-person job because of the size of the hood and getting it lined up with the studs. I'm going to start here by removing the hood blanket so I can disconnect our washer nozzle. While I'm doing that, Brendan is going to remove the factory latch. Okay, the hood blanket off. We're going to move all these clips now so we get the line off the car. Okay, to separate the hose from the nozzle, I'm going to grab this little metal ring here. Basically just rotate it. It's kind of hard to get a grip on sometimes. Once you do that, hose will pop right off. Okay, now we're ready to remove the hood by removing the nuts on both sides. One thing to make sure you do is hold your hand under the hood. Make sure your hood doesn't hit your fender. If you're wondering about weight, the stock hood is 33 pounds. Our Anderson hood is actually less than half that weight. Comes in at just over 15 pounds. So very easy to toss around. When you tighten these bolts, just get them snug. You do not have to overcrank them. Before we install our washer nozzles on our catch or anything like that, now we're going to adjust the hood. Make sure our lines are even with our fenders. Watch the back corners, make sure it doesn't rub. Get a bigger gap on this side, how are you? All right, so we're too tight on the driver's side and too loose on the passenger side, so we have to shift the hood over a little bit this way. You got a nice gap over there. Mine's a little bigger. If we bump it over just a hair. Yeah. All right, our gaps look good. Now we can actually put the hood back up. We'll tighten it down. All right, I hear creaking. Still good. This has got a little bit of a gap in the front here. All right, what we're gonna do now is we have the hood adjusted pretty much where we like it. Now we found on this side, our line is perfect. On that side, the fender's out a little bit. The front of the fenders are fully adjustable on these cars. It's easier to make a correction over on the fender than it is actually to adjust the hood. What they do is just slightly loosen this bolt here. Push it in a hair, tighten it back down. All right, now we install the factory catch. On the catch, the flat section goes back, slight curved section goes forward. Anderson does provide hardware for both the hood hinges and the catch. I actually prefer to use the factory hardware if possible. Since it does work, we're gonna go with that. And again, snug, no reason to overcrank. Okay, last one we're gonna do now is move the washer nozzles over so we can hook up our factory washer line. To get them off the factory hood, just kind of lift up on the bottom here, slide them out. Let's clip it on. Slide the hose back over. And clip that on as well. Now at this point, your insulation's finished. Now, if you're the washer hose, if it hanging like this kind of bothers you, you can drill some small holes, especially in the beefy part of the hood here, and basically make the factory clips go in. I mean, you could tape it or else, but it's out of the way. It's not going to bother anything. Closing open the hood's not going to damage it. To this point, your insulation is finished. This Anderson carbon fiber hood looks great on our 2015 50th anniversary Mustang and saves some weight as well. Now, a couple things about this hood. Obviously, it's open, so make sure you do have a sealed airbox if you're using this style hood. Also, you do want to get some automotive clear. This does have a gel coat finish, but if you have it out in the sun, it can yellow over time, so you definitely want to put some clear on it. And also, because of the weight, a set of hood pins would be highly recommended. The hood itself will take you about an hour to install. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.